Hello guys, welcome to my channel Techie Bull. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. In this video I am going to tell you how you can create new Google account in your laptop. So let's check the video. So what you have to do, you have to open your browser. You can open any browser. Here I am using Google Chrome, and then you have to type Gmail here. And then you have to click here on the Gmail and it will appear like this. And here sign in to continue to Gmail. If you are having your ID and password, then simply you can type your ID and password here and then you can log into your account. But we are talking about creating account, so we will click on create account here, and then here you will get three options: for myself, for my child, to manage my business. You can choose any option according to your convenience. Here I am choosing for myself. It will appear like this. Then it is asking about your first name, last name, username, password and confirm. So here I am giving you one example. Like suppose I am writing Sita Gupta. Here in first name I have written Sita and in last name I have written Gupta. Here username. Now Google is providing you some username. If you want to choose them, you can choose. If you don't want to choose them, then also it's fine. You can create your own username. So here Gupta Sita 270 is also there and SG621462 is also there. Here I am choosing Gupta Sita 270. So now what you have to do, you have to click on password and then you have to type password. Same password you have to type in confirm also, because you have to confirm the password. So here you have to type same password and then you have to click on next. Now your screen will appear like this. Here it is asking for phone number and email. Both are completely optional. If you want to fill these details, you can. If you don't want to fill, then also it's fine. But if you will fill these details, you will get one benefit of this in future, that if you forget your password of your account, then simply you can recover it by using your recovery email or phone number. So it is completely optional for you. If you want to fill, you can. If you don't want to fill, then also it is completely fine. Then next it is asking about your birth details. Here I am choosing May. Here I am writing 14. I am giving you one example. And here I am writing 1993, and here you have to choose your gender and then you have to click on next and it will appear like this. So here privacy and terms. So here all the terms and conditions of Google are here, so you can read all this, whatever is the terms and privacy and terms of Google and whatever, or whole process you can learn, and more options are there. You can click here and you can read all different things and then you can click on I agree and then it will appear like this. So now it will appear like this, Google Workspace, and your account is almost ready. And then you can click here also. Here you will get S, so it means your first letter of your account will appear here. So now your Google account is ready. So here different options are there. You can see inbox, started, snoozed, different. If you want to check your mails, you can just simply click on all mails and you will get all mails here. And here also you can see different options are there: search, maps, YouTube, play, Gmail, meet, contacts, drive, calendar and many other. And you can save your contacts also in your Gmail account. Now if you will click here, simply you will find this, and if you want to sign out your account, you can sign out from here only. Here your account is there, your ID is there, Gupta Sita 270 @ and you can click on sign out and then your account will sign out. Now it will appear like this. You can see, so it means your account is sign out. Now if you want to open your account, you can easily click on this and put password. So please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys to watching my video.